Hello guys, welcome back to the JOJO series, and today we are going to be adding stand errors. So we need to add new stands, and we're also going to be doing data store, but we're not going to do effects and stuff. So let's make the new stand real quick. I got the animation ready too. Okay, I'm going to name this, I don't know, Star Planum. Put in the Star Planum here. Alright, here. Let's remove the humidity. Let's turn off chemical light. Let's turn off anchored. Let's turn on maskless, and I'm going to make the color purple. Yep, this looks good. I'm going to be adding a face. Oh, it's gray. Alright, there we go. Gonna make it purple instead. And okay, that's cool. Now let's make the stand system. So first we need arrows. This looks good, and let's add in the Rokas fruit. Okay, this looks good. Now let's add in into a tool. Roka fruit. Let's remove the arrow handle, and let's put this inside of starter pack. Now I am going to be making a script for data Steve. Stand data store, and I'll put in a script in each of these tools to add in new stands or to remove the stands. And also let's add in animation controller here. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be putting this on surface storage. Let's make a new folder called stands. Now I'm going to rename this to Monkey Supreme. I'll remove this space. So here's what I'm going to do. The stand arrow, right? It's going to give me a random stand. It's going to set an attribute to my player, and when I press Q, it checks for my player attribute. Then it's going to require a stand skill module. It's going to check for my stand by using the attribute, and we're going to check for the module, for the stand skills module. We're going to find the module by using the attribute. So let's say my attribute is Monkey Supreme. It's going to find Monkey Supreme here, and when I summon, it's going to do stuff like this. Okay, I'll remove the Y here, and let's also go to summon handler. The stand should be surface storage dot stands dot monkey supreme, and we're going to change the stand name back to stand. Okay, that's cool. Now let's also add in an animation here. Folder anims. Let's put in the idle. Cool. Now let's put in the animation inside the Rokas. Let's put in the arrow stab. Alright, so let's do something like this. Local tool script.parent tool.activated connect function local character equals tool.parent. Since the character has a tool instead of it, so the child of the character is a 2. Now we can find the player. Local player equals game dot players get player from character. There's a function called get player from character. Now we're going to check local stand equals player get attribute stand. If stand, then print player already has a stand, so it's going to check for the stand attribute. Return. Okay. Now, if the player doesn't have a stand, it's going to set new attribute. Player set attribute stand and the stand name. The stand name has to be the same inside of stands and stand skills. All of these names have to be the same. It's case sensitive. So let's make a table for the stands. Local stands equals monkey supreme and star platinum. Now I'm going to be adding rarities in the next video. For now, it's all about functionality. Let's add a random stand. Local random stand equals math equals stands. It's going to index math of random 1 and the amount of stands. Random stand. Let's also play the animation. Humanoid equals character dot humanoid. Local stab equals script dot humanoid load animation. Script dot arrow stab. Stab play and task dot wait 0.1, let's do 0.16. I'm just going to set the random stand. Forgot to add something. Let's add a new module script. Call it star platinum. Function module dot q character stand equals character find for shall stand. Let's duplicate the summon handler, put it instead of star platinum. Local summon handler acquire script.summon handler stand, then summon.unsummon character else summon.summon character. Join star platinum, we're going to be summoning star platinum instead, and let's change this to lowercase item. The skill script, we're going to check for the stand. Skill handler, local stand equals player get attribute stand. If not stand, then warn player doesn't have a stand. Return. Now we're going to require the right the right stand skill. So dot, actually we're going to do index stand. And yeah, let's see if this works. Stand arrow. The stand arrow is anchored. Amazing. So in the skill handler, it's going to check for the character stand. If the character has a stand, then it's going to continue the script. If the character doesn't have the attribute stand, then it's going to stop the script. Now it's going to require the right stand skills module by checking the attribute, checking a matching module that has the same name as the attribute. So let's say my stand is Star Platinum, then it's going to use the Star Platinum skill module. Okay, so as you can see right here, where's my players? Yep, I have no stand attribute. So when I press Q, its player doesn't have a stand. So let's do this. I got Star Platinum, and it's when it's empty. That's 80. Okay, now let's do the Roka and add in safe. Okay, so let's check for my stand. Actually, no, let's just press Q. Start Platinum again. Well, let's just script the Roka coffee. Equal to script the parent tool.activated connect function. We're not going to in the stand since I'm gonna too lazy to do that. I'm going to do that in the next video. Character equals tool parent local humanoid equals character dot humanoid eat equals script dot eat humanoid load animation. We're gonna load the animation. Eat play task update 16. If character find for a child stand, then let's do the stand equals character find for a child stand. The player stand, player get attribute local player equals game the players get played from character, and if not player stand, then return and. If the character doesn't have a stand, then return and. If stand, then stand destroy and player set attribute stand nil. It's going to remove the stand. Doesn't have a stand. Let's see what I got. Again. Oh, it's welded to the ground probably. Again. Why do I keep getting Sharpanum? Again. Okay. Oh, I got Manga Supreme. I guess it's just my bad luck, I guess. Well, okay. So, I'm going to fix a few problems. Like this, this aura problem. But first, I am going to be making it so you check, making it so the stand skills, it checks for the stand, not the stand attribute. Hold on, where is it? Yeah, like this. Look, one, two. Oh, it's this. Oh, yeah, never mind then. Well, let's just fix the aura problem. So to do that, we are going to be doing something like this. We're going to require the module. Local skills equals require game.service-storage.skills and clear stand. Skills dot queue. If stand, actually no, let's just do, yeah, if stand and skills dot queue. Stand equals character find for child stand. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's summon the stand instead. Equals skills equals require game storage dot skills and random stand. Skills dot queue character. Now let's do the data store. Timing is off. What? Okay, where is it? What do you mean player doesn't have a stand? Stand arrow? Okay, Sarbanam. Okay. Stand arrow again. Monkey. Okay. and it stopped working. I found the problem. It's because of this. It's because I'm attacking while I'm eating the Roka food. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if the character has a tool. Local tool, equals character, find first child of class. This tool. Find first child, which is a tool or tool. Then it's run item. Standard row. Yep, it worked. Amazing. Now let's do the data store. This is going to be not that hard. Let's remove all this. Let's add in. Let's add in. Oh yeah, we already added this. Okay, local. Oops. Data store. Okay, so for the data store, you go to game settings, permissions, and oh no, it's security. Enable studio access to API services so you can access data store. Now let's make a data store service variable. Game get service data store service local stand ds store data store service get data store. The data store name, I'll name my data store stand data store. Okay, game the player added connect function player. Now there's two things in data store: get async and set async. Set async has two parameters: the key and the value that you're going to save. Let's say you're going to save a string hello. Okay, now it's going to set a data store called hello, and the key is sync. So the key is key. Okay, so when you want to call the data store, you can put in get async key, and then you'll get the value, which is hello. Okay, set async saves data. You can put in numbers in the key, you can put in strings, and you can also save numbers. You can save vector3, and you can also save tables. Okay, now we're going to save data. Game player removing connect function. So if you haven't understood what I said, I'm going to demonstrate it. Stand ds set async the key has to be something unique. I'll just do the player data user ID and the value would be the player get attribute stand. This would work on itself, but if you want to check if the data successfully saved or it fails saving, then you can use pcalls. Okay, so you can do something like this: local success error equals pcall dot pcall function and stands set a sync player user ID. Then if it's successful, then print data successfully saved, else data failed saving. So there's two parameters for pcall, the success and error. You can call this anything, let's say D and S. This would still be success and this would still be error. Success. Now let's get the data. We don't need to use pcall for this. Local, yeah. Local data equals stands get a sync player dot user ID. If data, then player set attribute stand data. There we go. Let's try this out. Use stand arrow. I got monkey again. Okay, let's get something new. Let's get star platinum. Okay, I got star platinum. Let's kick the player. Game the player's mastered. Kick. Data successfully saved. Amazing. Now when we enter the game, we should have star platinum. See, we got star platinum. Alright, so this is it for the video. This is it for the stand system. You can add in effects, you can add in more skills if you want. Like, let's say you want to add in more skills to your star platinum or to your new stand, you can just put in a new module script, or you don't even need to do that. You make a new function for the keybind module dot. Let's say you want to make the skill T character, then you put stuff here for the skill. Alright, I think that's it. Maybe the next video will be about arrow spawns and arrow spawns, Rokas spawns. So yeah, and also I'll probably add in effects and stuff. This is it for the video. See you later.